magazinde dünya yıldızlarıyla gerçekleştirdiği çok özel
push out aggression, nerves, bad emotions. Just forget about everything and just have a good time.
Yansıtmaya devam ediyor. Milyoner adlı şarkısıyla milyonların beğenisini kazanan Romanyalı genç şarkıcı Otilia Bruma ile boğaz manzaralı bir mekanda buluşuyoruz. Güzel yıldız vücut.
Skating on a skate park in city center. Was doing a trick on a ledge and the board just slipped. I fell on my hand with my full wave and noticed that my hand isn't straight. And then I went to the hospital, operation.
Sesi siyah şık şapkasıyla uyumlu çizmeleriyle gülümsüyor kameramıza. Çok değil, 2-3 hafta önce de İstanbul'a gelen Otilia Bruma
would not be able to skate again. People told me that I shouldn't skate for like 2 years. But I thought that it's too long, 2 years without skateboarding. It's impossible. When I went out of the hospital,
İstanbul'a hayran kalmış.
Do you like Istanbul and Bosphorus?
Very much. I like the history of Istanbul. I like the food.
Güzel şarkıcı çok fit görünse de ilk cümlelerinde sözü yemeğe getiriyor. Demek ki Türk yemekleri.
To the skate park when I broke my hand, took a board from a friend and just skated and thought that I will get rid of my fear and stuff and just get back on the board as fast as I can.
I think a lot of us go through that. I think a lot of times we fall or we get scared and we never jump the hurdle and get to our dreams. So he's an amazing example.
Otilia Bruma'nın eşsiz bulduğu lezzetler hangileriymiş bir öğrenelim.
Skender. Another one. Baklava. Yes.
Someone that just gets right back up and goes for it.
I still have this fear even though it was like 8 months, 9 months ago. It's just the only thing that blocks you. Not physical but mental thinking.
Bir Türk marketten sık sık baklava alacak kadar çok seviyormuş Gaziantep'le özdeşleşen bu tatlımızı.
Have it in Romania. We have some stores with Turkish food and near me and all the time I go and I buy baklava, but it's a little bit fat.
But all of these kids and their stories and their persistence, it's so motivating for me. I really can't wait to meet them all. So, after picking 250 sparks, it was now time for them to head to Budapest, be in my music.
Otilia Bruma spor yaptığı için ne kadar çok yese de aldığı kalorileri kolaylıkla yakıyormuş.
I'm still young, I make some sport, but I have a problem, I eat a lot.
Yemek söz konusu.
I'm going to Budapest to making a music video with Katy.
I'm very excited because I go into Budapest, meet people there.
And travel to Budapest with people talented and meeting new people from a lot of countries.
Gözü o kadar çok dönüyormuş ki arkadaşlarının tabaklarına bile saldırıyormuş.
If I see someone eating something else that I eat, I all the time want to taste from that. So.
Otilia Bruma ile akşam saatlerinde gerçekleştirdiğimiz özel röportajımızda hava almak için dışarı çıkıyoruz. Güzel yıldız Romanya'nın soğuğuna alışkın olduğu için üstüne ceket bile almıyor. Söz sinemadan açılıyor.
I think it will be amazing.
I don't know how I go there with the train or the plane or the bus, car. Maybe I walk. I don't know.
Meeting new people will give me the experience and let me know how people live in other countries.
Türümüzse bakın kimmiş.
Çok seviyorum Halin Ergenç.
Otilia Bruma'nın Milyonera şarkısı çok seviliyor ve
hopefully I will party with them.
Of course, when they all arrived, we just had to throw them a big party as a welcome.
All of you are going to appear in Katy Perry's next video.
listelerinde zirveye oynuyor. Güzel Yıldız şarkısının gördüğü ilgiden
There's about 250 winners here participating with us. A lot of these kids have so much potential, and sometimes, they think it's too hard to get to where.
Hit in Turkey, in Bulgaria, in Cyprus, Greece, Italy, Poland, Monaco, and now it started to become very famous in France.
ülkemizde yayınlanan diziler başta Orta Doğu olmak üzere
They have some kind of handicap that's holding them back, whether, it's actually literally or figuratively. I wanted this video to inspire these kids, to make them feel like they can pursue or do whatever they want or be whoever they want.
ülkesinde izlenme rekorları kırıyor. Romanyalı Otilya Bruma da dizilerimizden haberdar. Kendileri bir dizide konuk oyuncu olarak yer almak ister miymiş acaba?
Setbacks or challenges or themselves even get in the way. I think we're going to turn all these kids into fireworks.
I don't know how it says. So
Kadın?
that girl from Sultan Süleyman. That girl from Sultan Süleyman.
So the next morning, we had all the kids show up at this gorgeous castle called Buddha Castle. I heard they've been having parties and staying up all night, but still they were so happy and had so much energy to start the dance rehearsal. I was dying to meet them, so I decided to show up at the...
Halit Ergenç deyince akan sular durur prensibini benimseyen Otilya'yı tutabilene aşk olsun hani.
Like Hürrem,
Awesome.
Keyifli röportaj için teşekkür ederken güzel şarkıcı Tarkan'ın Şıkıdım çalışmasıyla uğurluyor bizi. Siz magazinde izleyicilerini de selamlamayı unutmuyor tabii.
Aynam şıkıdım şıkıdım. Aynam şıkıdım şıkıdım.
It's been kind of an emotional event. When I surprised these kids and they all turned around, it just jolted my heart. It was amazing to see them dancing after party and unite.
Merhaba magazinde.
All different places in the world, and to make such a movement out of this song, my song. When I was a kid, and